the end of the weekend, but
Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a hair review on Luvme wig. I don't know what the name of the wig is yet, but I promise to leave it down in the below in the comment section. But it is a short curly wig with bangs. That's what it's supposed to be. So now let me go ahead and open this up. They have cute packaging. Came with a little bow on it. Let's see what goodies that they gave for us. I love how, you know, they package with care. And let me see before I open it up if it come with any paperwork. It didn't come with any paperwork, but it did come with some nice little goodies and some goodies that I need. Ooh, it came with Christmas nails. Even though Christmas is over with, maybe these will be good for next year, okay? It also came with some, oh, these are some cute lashes too. I love these lashes. So another set of lashes to add to my collection. Put those over there. A little scrunchie. I was hoping that was a hair bonnet. I've been needing a hair bonnet. And it came with some earrings. They seem to give you these same little earrings in some type of, I don't know what this is. Looks like some type of brooch. Or is this go on the back of your phone? Because it's a sticker. Oh, wait a minute. I probably need this. Wait a minute. I think this, girl, let me see what this is. This little thing right here. I don't know. I really think it's one of those things that you put on the back of your phone, but for some reason, oh, there it is. Look. I'm doing all kind of extra. Look, you just push that back. I think it's one of those, you know, that goes on the back of your cell phone so that you can hold it. I'm gonna use this because I just said I was gonna buy me one of these. But okay, Luvme for the win. Let me go ahead and put this on my phone now. Cause I be saying I drops the phone all the time. You know when you got your little your nails on, it's the grip don't be there. So put that on the back of the phone, and voila, just make sure you don't drop it. And then you just close it on back up. I mean, it ain't the cutest, but it'll do, right? So anyway. All right, so we got that. And last but not least, what is in here? A comb. You always can use one of these. Open this on up. I'm always trying to open something with my teeth. That's why I gotta go to the doggone dentist now. Yeah, so how was y'all's Christmas? Mine was actually amazing. I'll post that video real soon. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on this thing. So relax and enjoy the movie, or not movie, music. And then once again, like I said, I will put the name of the wig. I'll put the name in the comment section. Okay? I'm not gonna put on any makeup. This is strictly for you guys so that you guys can see if this is a wig that you would like. Okay? There you go. You know what? I thought this was going to be a lace wig, but it's not. So this is one of those, for the day take on it, which is it's okay. But I like to tack mines down, so I can wear it for a week or two. And I guess it's the same thing. This will allow my hair to breathe at night. I usually wear my wigs for a couple weeks before I get tired of them. And I don't know. What y'all think? This would be cute with some earrings on or whatnot. It has the band on, so it's real secure. But I should have looked to see if this was a full lace. But I have to remember that sometimes when you get bangs, there's no need for lace in the front. There's no need for it to look realistic because your hairline normally is not showing, which is fine. So this probably needs like a little bit of product on it, but I don't know. I like big hair too. Definitely should not be wearing this one with glasses. When you wear hair this big, you can't have glasses on. Or you shouldn't. It just takes away. So I'll show you what I mean in a moment. But I just fluffed it out, combed through it with the handy dandy comb that they gave to me, because I want it to be big. I haven't had big hair in such a long time. And so, what y'all thinking? I don't know. The wig was a reasonable cost. I don't think it cost that much, but I'll put all that in the, I think it's like $139, but it's super soft and curly, and I could see me really, once I put my makeup on, really doing something with this hair. Really big chunk earrings. This giving me very much Valley Girl, and I love the color. It plays well off my skin. So that's it, y'all. That was quick. That was the quickest wig review in history, right? But it is super, super cute. Yep. All right, y'all. I know the video is really, really short. I ain't got that much to say today, but you guys, I do have a long Christmas vlog coming up, but that will be posted on Wednesday when I get a chance to edit it. I just wanted to make sure that I did what I needed to do today, and that was to make sure that I stayed on schedule by posting a video on Wednesday and Sunday, and today is Sunday, right? So this is what we have. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I really love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Peace out. And late Merry Christmas.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up.